From a simple roll of fabric, every pair of period underwear begins its journey. First, we carefully inspect each fabric layer, making sure the texture, color, and quality meet our standards. Then, our pattern makers turn design ideas into precise templates, shaping comfort into every curve. The fabric is laid out smoothly and cut with accuracy, so every piece fits perfectly together. Next comes the most important part, the gusset. Layer by layer, it is prepared to provide reliable absorption, comfort, and protection you can feel. Our skilled workers sew each piece with care, reinforce key areas with bar tacking, and press the garment to keep its shape clean and smooth. Labels are heat applied neatly, and every detail is checked by hand. Before packing, each pair goes through final quality inspection because we believe protection should also feel soft, secure, and beautifully made. From fabric to finished product, this is how we create period underwear you can trust.